Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today I'm going to be building a trellis planter and planting a few things in it. The only main materials that I'm going to be using for this are going to be 2x4s, 6-inch cedar pickets, and a 4-foot by 8-foot trellis. The planter is going to be 4 foot long by 2 foot wide, and it's going to be 2 feet deep. And then the trellis on the back is going to be 4 foot wide and 8 feet tall. So the first thing that I have to do is make the cuts for the planter. Now if you're interested in trying this project yourself, I'll make sure to put the cut list down in the description below. All right, so I have the majority of this planter put together. I didn't get quite enough pickets to finish the front and the back, so I'll have to stop by Lowe's tomorrow morning and get the rest of those. And the trellis on the back, I had it at 8 feet tall. However, whenever I put the trellis up on it, it did not look good at all. So I decided to cut it down to 6 foot, and I think it looks a whole lot better. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the trellis on the back, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna go get the rest of the pickets and finish that up, and then I'll be filling it up with potting soil, planting it up, and then this project will be complete. All right, I got this project done and I really like how it turned out. I ended up putting 5 plants in here. I put a clematis called a Ryman clematis. This one gets about 5 to 6 feet tall and wide, so it'll completely fill in this trellis area. And this one's hardy down to -30 and to -40, so it's definitely winter hardy in my area. And then I also have a Supertunia Vista Snowdrift in the bottom, and these get about 12 to 24 inches tall and wide, so these will fill in this area completely. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.